బ్లెస్సింగ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు.
I request current Governor K.R. Nagaraj sir to give the oath to the incoming Governor CML Dilip.
I, Mr. Koli, CML Dilip, do solemnly swear in the presence of August gathering that I shall faithfully execute the office of the District Governor of Vasavi Clubs International, District 301A, and I will, to the best of my ability, serve as living example to this association's philosophy and belief, and I will uphold and enforce the constitution and policies of this association during the course of my tenure as a governor. Now I am very happy to declare CML Dilip is our 2015 district governor.
Elect CML Dilip. Sir, your acceptance speech, please.
Jai Vasavi.
Jai Vasavi.
Jai Vasavi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೈ ವಾಸವಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಜೈ ವಾಸವಿ. ಜೈ ವಾಸವಿ. ಜೈ ವಾಸವಿ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ 59ನೇ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. And I am happy to that I have been elected as a governor of District V 301A Karnataka of Vasavi Clubs International for the year 2015. With the blessings of my parents and wishes of the God and all the support of international officers and district officers, past governors and all our district cabinet members and all well-wishers to serve as supported me as to serve as a governor for the district 301A for the year 2015. And also I thank my father, mother and my sister for giving me opportunity and supporting to serve for the society and for the organization for the year 2015 as a governor. And I also thank my motivation guru. I tell him as a motivation guru is none other than our Gampa Nageshwara Rao sir. And also I have a leaders in our district and international. I personally thank, he is not here. Also I thank him in this your mode is none other than Agir Venkatesh sir and Adi Keshavan sir and many other international officers and our district officers and all the club presidents who have supported me extraordinarily and all the club members who have supported me and all the well-wishers. I really thank you one and all sir. And I will serve organization with all my ability and request all your support in all the events for the upcoming year 2015. I will utilize my every minute in the profile is the given profile and show my efficiency for the organization. This year we are concentrating to improve our district and bring our district in the higher in our international sir. We are also planning to good communication skills and also visit all the clubs with all our cabinet members within the November of this month we are starting within incoming cabinet members. My interest is to motivate the youth in the development of our organization and leadership and time management, and I want all the support by the club members to bring the youths in front of the WASWI clubs and all the service organizations in front. I request you one and all, sir. We are planning for providing clubs the BOD, and this time specially we are planning for all the clubs we are planning BOD and general body books, which includes the guidelines of VCI and supporting for the club services activities and administration from our district we are providing. My motto is to get the Super Best District Award in the VCI for the 2015. I am not telling the Super Best Award only for the governor or the cabinet secretary. I am planning, I am aiming for the Super Best District we want to achieve in the district throughout international. And I request all the members to support and work for the club. If the members work, the club will be active. If the clubs all works, the zone will be active. All the zone works, the region will be active. If all regions are active, our district becomes super active, sir. I believe in myself. I am not the first person of the district. I am the first servant of the district to serve the district to achieve the many achievements in the future. As seeing the discount by our Nagar sir with the huge effects of the host club, that the Banshankari, appreciate them for the huge effort by them and giving the donations for the cyclone people. And I am also from now I am planning for the next discount. We are not more less than 1,000 members we are planning. Action speaks louder than words. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವೊಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಬರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಂಬರ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ರಿವೈವ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನ ಹೊಸದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಾವು 70 ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇದೀವಿ, 140 ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್.